So on last class we talked about string function, and today we are going to look some of the string. We talk about string. Now today we are going to talk about string function. So string function, these are the attributes of string. These are the attributes in string. So for us to have good idea or good knowledge in string, we have to know all the attributes, all the methods in string. So before we start, let me take you to our previous class. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of string, and when you see string you will be able to identify it. Justice. Justice.
Yes, yes.
So give me an example of
Can
a
you hear me? I said yes.
give me an example of a string.
Okay. For example, we say um, it could be in terms of character. Okay, if I'm to use for character, let me say how do I put it now? My name is, let's say my name is Justice, for example, and my name is Justice. Or I can put, let's say, name equals in bracket Justice.
With quotes
Yes, with
attached to
quotes. Yes,
it.
with quotes.
So now let's go. I see you fully understand
Yes.
now. So let's go to today's topic, which is string function. So I will declare a variable called my string. I'll declare a variable called my string. Then under it, I will I will create a space and then write hello world. So then I also created a space. Now, did you see it? Did you see the variable I just created? I created the variable with a space attached to it, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I want to write a simple program which I can
Yes.
remove the space on the right left. So do you get what I just said now?
Yeah. So you want to write a code now that will take out the spaces by the
Yes.
side of the yellow word.
Yes. So we have a Python code which is also known as a method to remove the space, which is known as strip. We want to strip out the space. Want to strip out the space. We have the left strip and the right strip. And when we want to
Oh,
write
okay.
the right strip, we use the dot arrow strip or dot L strip. These are mentored in Python. So let me write a program now. My string equal to equal to okay, let's say dot right strip. So did you see what I just done now?
Okay. Just
So
focus.
I will remove the right
Yeah. Yeah. So it's
space.
going to take out the space on the right.
Yes, on the right. So did you see on the right side, the space has been removed. The space
Yeah, yes. So you
have
took
been
out that
removed.
space on the
So
right.
now let me remove the left. I'll use the L strip. The L strip will definitely remove the left space. Did you see it has removed the left space? Huh?
Yes, yes.
So
So if
domin
I were to take out, yes, I can see that.
okay.
So take out the the spaces on both sides. That will be just dot strip, right?
You just use okay, you just use the strip. Everything will be removed. Okay?
Okay.
The strip will remove
Yes,
everything.
I get
Okay?
that. Yeah, I get that.
Okay, Dominion, you are welcome to class.
Thank
I am not really happy for today. What happened today? I pray that it will not repeat itself because I cannot just come to class, took my time. I make sure that I come to class on time so that I can attend to you guys. But coming up, waited
you.
for
Yeah.
like and let's say 30 minutes, still not seeing you guys turning up. It's not encouraging, okay?
Yes, we are very sorry about this.
So now we move to let's say now let's remove everything. Let's remove everything. Let's remove everything now. Let me run this now. Once I run it, definitely everything has been removed, right? So now I want to create a
Yeah.
variable.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to create another variable. I want to create another variable. And this variable we attach with asterisk. We attach will be attached with asterisk. So I believe you all know asterisk. This is an asterisk, okay? O- Are you hearing
Okay.
what I'm saying?
Yes.
So I want to attach it with asterisk. Okay. Now, okay, let's say my string. Let's say my string. Now let's use this and run it. I want to run it now. Okay. Now I've run it. Let me print my string. Now, what if I want to remove the right side? What if I want to remove the right side of the string? Hmm? How will I be
In
able?
the asterisk on the right. You
Yeah.
mean the asterisk on
Yes. How will I be able to remove it? Just try. Can you
So that
try?
will be my string dot. Okay, let me give it a try.
My
So
string.
we have my string dot
Uh huh.
Dot R strip
Okay, arrow strip. I'm coming. Arrow strip.
and
And what?
in bracket put asterisk.
Okay,
Put asterisk in bracket.
okay.
Run it to
It will
best.
not run. There's something missing. You almost got it, but there's something missing. You almost, but there's something missing. Just look at the code very well.
Okay. I think the number of stars, right?
No, just look at it very well. Okay, did you see this asterisk stand on its own? It's not even representing as a string. Just stand on its own. So what will I do to make it look at a string like a string?
Okay, you
Oh,
put it in quotation mark.
Uh-huh. You got it.
oh,
Now it will run now. The left side will be removed. Okay. So this is how to remove the left side. So I'm coming a minute, please. Let me mute my mic.
eh. Continuous cannot not talking.
I'm back. So did you see what happened there? Hello?
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
So
yes, sir.
now let's first remove the left string. See the same way you remove the left string. Okay. See the same way you remove this left string. So now the left string see the same way. Now I want to remove everything. I want to remove everything. How can I remove everything? Can you try?
So that'll be
Sorry, you mean remove all the asterisks from the
Yes.
string?
let's so
I cannot remove the
let's
center.
just
I cannot
dot
remove the center.
strip.
Okay. My string.
Okay, I was thinking you said together with the center.
No, I cannot remove everything from the center. But how can I remove everything? You use just my string, then asterisk, then strip. You just do it like this.
Okay, my string, yeah, dot strip.
So why I cannot remove everything is that why I cannot remove this center is that this hello word and the asterisk has been attached to this word. Okay, I
And the
don't know.
asterisk has been attached to this. Okay.
Okay, so I don't know if there's a code
So
to
I don't know
there's a
if
code to remove it, but
it's a good to move it, but
please unmute your mic.
please unmute your mic.
Dominion.
Dominion.
Yes, my mic is muted.
So, so I don't know if there's a code for that. Okay, but
I don't know, ma. No, ma.
But
I know hear you. I say mute your mic. Your mic is
I
requesting
know
with
you.
my
I
own.
say mute your mic. Your mic is requesting with my own.
Okay, sorry about that.
So I don't know if there is code to remove the one on the center, but what I understand is that you can only remove from the right and the left. Okay. Now, so I want to introduce us uh, to capital letter, how to change cases from capital letter to um upper to lower to capitalize and all. Okay, so let's see this code, this simple code. Okay, let's write a program. Let's say my string 2 equal to then I will create a variable called hello world. Okay, so you can unmute your mic now. So who can tell me the method to change it to lower or upper case? Can you try? Can you try? Just try. What can I do to
Just
change
try.
it
I will change
Okay, to change this
from
string, which is in
lower to upper case?
lowercase to uppercase,
from lower to upper case.
we
Mm.
do dot upper.
Okay. Let me put it now.
It is now.
So you are correct. It will work, but upper. This is a method you can use. So automatically everything has
It's
been
a
turned
method
to
you can
upper
use.
case. Now
So
we can also
automatically
use
everything has been done to upper case. Now we can also use
a lower. Now once we use lower, it will turn to lower case. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So
Yeah, we can see it.
yes, you can see it.
we can also use the capitalized. So capitalized will make the first to be in the first letter to be in capital letter. Okay. So have you seen it now? Hmm?
Have you seen it now?
So we are going to work on.
Okay,
We are
so
going to
which
work.
means
We are
the
going to work on
capitalized, sorry,
we are going to work
I was saying, which means the capitalized method, the function, I don't know, is it works just like proper case.
Yes, like normal case, it will capitalize the first
yes, like normal
word.
case, it will capitalize the first word.
The first letter of each word.
The first letter, just the first letter.
The first letter, just the first letter.
Okay, all right. Thank you, sir.
So Justice, are you with me?
Yes, yes, I'm with you.
So
I'm with you.
Okay, okay. So let's see if this function will work. Did you see the title case? How to turn into title case, meaning the capital letter H and the W in capital lights, in capital letter. Did you see it?
Oh yes,
Yes.
I've seen it now.
So that is how to work with it's when you are writing a paragraph, a letter, or this is the method you use to arrange your word. So I want to introduce us to replace. There's a word called dot replace. Okay, so let's see how it works. It's a method called dot replace. Now I want to replace this hello word to this hello, okay, to other thing. Now let's say my string two dot replace replace. This is the replace function. So the replace collect two parameters, the original word you want to replace and the word you want to replace and the word you want to replace. Do you understand my statement? Your original work, the name you want to replace, and the current one you want to replace.
Okay, so please, which one comes first? Is it
Okay,
the one you want to replace or the replacement first?
the one that comes first is the one you want to replace. So I want to
Okay,
replace
this
this
one.
he, 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 comma, and it will be in string. So did you see it? What I just replaced? Did you see how it worked? The replace method.
Yes.
Justice,
Yes. Yes.
justice, and you. Did you see it?
Yeah. Yes, I said yes. Yes. So the HO is the word that will be replaced. Why the HE is the one that was initially there. So it will be
Yes.
replaced by HO. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So why I use small letter is that our initial word variable we declare is small letter. Did you see it? This is our initial variable. So did you see it? That's why I use the small letter here. Okay. Now I want to introduce us to dot count. There's a method called dot count. Dot count help count anything in a string. Okay, in a string, anything in a string. So let's say my string. So let's declare a variable three, my string three. Okay, then let's declare a variable called my string and a string with numbers inside. Let's say number one, Num1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 10, 6, 6, 6. So did you see the variable I just created? So now I want to count how many no, 6 is inside this variable. I will use the dot count. Then I will say I will inside the dot count I will insert what I want it to count. Then I run it. Did you see it said 3? Are you with me?
Yes, we're with you.
Yes.
This is how to use the dot count. So now there's a function called hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Oh.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I'm following you.
Okay. So since we have uh, since we are following now, I want to introduce us to okay. Let's work with the dot strip, dot split, Joe. Dot split. I want to introduce you guys to dot split. The dot split help you to split anything. You split it one after the other. Okay, now I created a variable called my string 3. Now I want to split them. Okay, let me run this. Let me run this so that you see the output. Did you see how it came out? It came out in a string.
Okay, sorry, what was
Huh? Are you trying to say something?
yeah, I was actually wanting to ask the difference with the first one. I think the first one was L split right and right split left and right.
That one is strip.
Okay, strip. Okay, sorry.
Strip. This one is split. Split means breaking down.
Okay. Yeah, I get now.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Now, since you see that it came out on a straight line, so I will use the dot split. So Domina, please mute your mic. It's reflecting with mine. So so I declare a variable called split variable. So I don't want it to I don't want it to run this because I'm using the dot split. Since I'm using the dot split, I have to create another variable to show you the output. So did you see how he splitted it? Who can tell me the difference?
Okay, I noticed the first one, the one without the splitting,
Yeah,
the outputs were not individually in quotes, while the second one were all in quotes declared as string, yeah, and
and
separated by
separated by
comma.
column. And yes, separated by column. And it came out like a list.
Yes.
Yes. So this is how to use the dot split. When you are using split, okay, maybe you want to work on a large number of inputs, and when you input a large number, you tell the system to split it and then count it. This is where you use the split to work with. So I believe you understand what I just explained, how to use the split, right? Hello?
Yes, you can go ahead with you.
So I want to introduce us to, I want to introduce us to um, alignment, alignment, how to align, okay? How we can align our variable. So let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. Now, this is our variable. This is our variable here. Okay, okay, okay. Let me use something that will be simple for us to understand. I will use variable 4, split my string 4, my string 4. Now, I want to show you how we can centralize it. You see, when I print it out, when I print it, you will see how it came out. Okay, did you see it came out on the just on the left side, right? On the left side, right? Now, I want to centralize it. I want to centralize it. For me to centralize it, I will create a, okay, let's say, okay, let's say um my string 4, let's say, let's declare a variable called my center equal to my string 4, my string 4 dot, let's say center. Now let's say the center should be 100%. Then now let's print the center. Okay, did you see how it came out? Came out on the center. So
Yeah.
I need your question. I
So
need this question to ask.
I need your question. I need this question to ask. Please, please could you
Could you
explain that last code
explain
again?
the last code again?
Huh?
Like, could you go over the code that you just ran now? I think I
So what do you notice? Hello?
I'm trying to.
Okay, if you did not notice, I will just say what I want to say. Dominion, want you?
Okay, I noticed the text came to this.
Hello?
That's you aligned it to the center.
Okay, you notice why did I put 100?
You notice why did I put 100? I was actually about to ask about that,
Okay,
but okay.
okay. Now let's see if I
I
put.
think because
Let me put 17 and run again.
let me put 7.
Okay, did you see he adjusted?
Yeah,
So you remember? Okay, have you ever worked with Microsoft Word?
Yes.
Microsoft Word where you can adjust,
yes.
reduce.
Microsoft where
uh
you can
So this is the
adjust,
same way you can reduce
reduce.
with number.
So this
So
is the same way
100
you
is
can reduce
100%.
number.
You can reduce it
So
to
100 is
60% all.
100%.
So
You can
any
reduce it
percent
to
you wish.
60% all. So any percent you wish.
Okay. So,
Okay.
so, so Justice, are you with me? So Dominion, mute
Justice,
your
are you
mic.
with me? So,
Yes.
yes.
But sorry,
But I
I'm
see.
still looking at this last code you ran. I think I missed out something. I'm trying to
Okay.
get what
Just
you're
say
trying
it.
to achieve.
Just say it so that I'll move to the next.
Okay, so
Okay.
basically the entire
Huh?
you were about saying something. How did I stopped?
So okay. Now I want to explain this to
Were you
you.
trying to say something?
Yes, I want to explain this to you so that we can move faster. Or if you do not
Okay.
understand, try to watch the video, you will get it right. Okay, so I created a variable one. You see, I created a variable called my string 4. Then assigned to a string called string 1. Now I printed it out. Did you see it came out on just on the left hand side? It did not appear center. So I want to adjust it to center. So I called a variable called center, then my string 4 dot center. I use the center method then bracket 70. I can put any number to position it to the center. Okay, I apply center, e reduce to I apply 70, e reduce to this position. So let me put 100. You see it will move to the center 100%. So it will come to this side, it will share the exact, it will come to this side. You see the difference? Do you see the difference? It's very sure. But if I put 10, it will come to this, it will adjust back. Okay, did you see how it came out?
Oh yeah, get now. Thank you.
So now
Yes, I do.
so I want
Thank
to,
you so much.
no problem. So I want to show you on how we can, okay, fill in anything on the space, of where we want to centralize it to. I want it to fill in with something, not to be empty. So let's see how we can work with it. Okay, let's use let's call a variable center fill. Center fill. Okay, then inside this place I will use 100%. I will call it 100. I will use 100%. Then I will separate it by comma and insert what I want it to fill. I will use asterisk, I can use I can use anything to fill that space. Okay, so let's see the center fill. Did you see I came out?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
Fatima Abubakar, why are you just coming with that? Dominion, please mute your mic. Fatima,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. I did not expect this from you.
I was sick as well. I just decided to come online.
I'm so sorry. Just take your just take
Thank
your
you, sir.
drugs, okay? And you'll be strong again.
Mm-hmm.
If you, in case you miss out, you can watch the video from the beginning so that you have a good understanding. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can mute your mic. Now, I can still the same way I can apply it just only at the right hand side. I can apply also just only at the left hand side. Now for us to apply just for the right hand side, we use it like this. We use the arrow justified, just arrow justify, let's say arrow just. This is the just method. Now when I run it, it will only apply to this side, the right hand side. To only apply to the right hand side. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me rename the variable. So 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 I don't know why my system, this thing is keep running. So it will run only the it will fill only the right hand side. Okay, it will fill only the right hand side. Only the right hand side will be filled. So let's see. The field is not defined. So let's see. Coming now, just the right hand side will be filled. Okay, did you see it? Just the right hand side. Because I use 100%, so let me change it to 70% so that or 50% so that it will reduce for us. So okay, did you see it? Just the right hand side. So I can also decide to change it to the left hand side, just L alone. So then I run it, I also run this. So I believe you have seen it now. You have seen it. So okay, um, Dominion, uh, Dominion, have you worked on your assignments? Have you been able to work on your assignment?
Actually have started,
I'm not
but
hearing you.
I'm not done because I actually have started, but I'm not done
Okay, you
because
know,
some of the questions I don't know if
okay, you
we are
know,
yet to cover them here,
okay.
or maybe it's done
I,
while
I, I
absent.
introduce it, I introduce it to you so that you have a good understanding and study hard. That's why I introduce some of the questions that I've not done.
Okay.
Okay, please unmute your mic. I want you to know that on Wednesday is the deadline for the submission. Okay, Justice, have you worked on it? Justice, have you worked on it on your assignment?
Hello.
Have you?
Speaking. No, I'm here to commence. I'm here to commence.
Please commence. On Wednesday is the day for submission. Is the day for submission. So Fatima and you,
No, sir.
but try make sure you try to work on it on Wednesday, the day for submission. And also, if you find it difficult, I want you guys to use this opportunity to create a study section where Dominion or Justice or Fatima can be the leader of the study question. Should schedule a time for you guys to walk through the question, practice more on it. Are you with me? You can use Google Meet or any other platform, any virtual platform, okay?
Let's together.
So I just want you to work through together and have a good understanding of what we have been taught in school in our class here. So okay, I want to go to the next. So I want you to know how to work with. We have the lock function. In the lock method. So I will copy this. Let me copy. Let me copy this. So I will name this to 5. Then I will copy it. I will copy it. Okay. I'll copy it. I want to lock one particular number here so that it just print just the number. So I will use lock. I will declare a variable called lock. Now for us to lock one number here, I can say my string. Let me paste my string dot index. I will just use index. Then index, it will produce the index for me. I've already assigned an index called, let me say 3. Automatically, it will automatically make these 3 as the index. The index. Now I want to print the lock. So I've already locked it. Only 3 will be printed. Only 3 will be printed. Only 3 will be printed. So let's see. This is how to lock a particular number, a particular number on a string, or anything you want to lock on a string. So so now the index is 8. Let's see. Wait, I'm coming. So okay, and I just make a mistake. I just make a mistake. I'll get back to this. I'll get back to this. So I wanted to teach you on how to lock, but I just mistake using this index. So I'll get back and tell you how to lock. So I'm using this index. This index will give me the index number. The index number. So now for us to get the index number, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, did you see it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you with me? Please, if you are not clear, just kindly signify. Hello?
So so by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
We are
six,
getting
seven,
the index number
eight.
of 3.
Uh,
So I just want to,
okay, but for the three, is it? Do you mean for a particular letter, or with respect to,
okay. Now, you see,
or with
this
respect to the word?
is respect to the word. Let's see, respect to the word, because I've already grouped this one as 1. Okay. I've already grouped the 3 as 1 by calling out inside the index method. Okay. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do you understand? Dominion, do you understand? Hello, Dominion. Fatima. Fatima,
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
do you understand what I just explained?
Yes, sir.
Hope you are not having issue with what I just explained now.
Yes.
Dominion and you, Dominion. Are you sure Dominion is still in class? Okay. Now let's see how to use the find. We have used index. Now let's replace it